A tree with the bark used as soap. What a fantastic tree this is. Introducing Salingkugi, Albizia saponaria of the family Fabaceae. The genus name honors the Italian nobleman Filippo degli Albizzi, who introduced Albizia julibrissin to Europe in the mid-18th century. The species Saponaria was taken from the Latin word sapo, which means soap. It is also called soap albizia and soap tree. It is found in Borneo, Sulawesi, Moluccas, Philippines, and open forests, often along streams at low and medium altitudes, but not abundant. It is rarely cut for timber, but widely cultivated. It is a tree reaching a height of 20 meters and a diameter of 80 centimeters. The wood is used for general construction, furniture, and cabinets. In the Philippines, bark and wood with considerable saponin are used as soap substitutes, shampoo, and fish poison. The bark is also used as insecticidal. What are saponins? Saponins are a group of bitter tasting chemicals that naturally occur in plants. They get their name from their ability to form soap-like foams in water. Interestingly, saponins are responsible for the foamy substance you see when you soak beans. This tree plays a crucial role in enhancing soil fertility through nitrogen fixation. By encircling the soil, it benefits not only itself but also surrounding plants, promoting a healthier ecosystem. Therefore, using it as one component in the agroforestry system is recommended. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.